In this video, we're going to go over one super stock that can rally on Monday. Guys, we are the only trading channel that has called over 100 short squeezes within the past 30 trading days. Many of them are on YouTube, ARLO, RLX, most recently WAL. COOK may be another runner, but we have to make sure that we get confirmation before we think about investing in this stock. My name is Coach Coda. I've been day trading for over 10 years. I've made so many good call outs that I now have over 50 members in my pro community. If you want to join that community, make sure to click the link in the description because it's the most supportive, most amazing, most profit-making community that you can possibly be in. Let's see what our pro members say. Titan says this is the most down-to-earth and realistic group / couch I've ever seen. Of course, he means coach. Sure, everyone hopes for the moon, but almost never happens, right? Awesome. When I heard your video on HUBC and recommended to get out, I got out. Luckily, made 40%. Okay, Jacku's making money. We had another trader says, hey guys, great to see all of you making money. I have to be honest, I talked myself into not trading today, having a full schedule on my plate. However, at opening bell, I got in and watched entry points. I was able to walk away with $509 today because of free money thanks to Coach. Is this not the best group to be in? He's asking you, is this pro group not the best group you can possibly be in with traders making money, being supportive, being positive, great energy? This is your home. If you're ready to join it, then click the link in the description. And now COOK, as promised, I'm going to tell you all about trading your COOK stock. Now, you guys remember that I was talking about WAL last time. And WAL, how did WAL turn out? Well, it went exactly where I said it would go, from $30 all the way to $40, okay, within the day. Now, COOK, well, that's an interesting stock for sure. But I needed to pull back just a little bit first. I'm live at the market right now. It is March 17th, and I'm looking at COOK right here at this price level. So let me actually make some notes here for you so you know what day it is and when I am trading this stock. So this is March 17th, but the market is closed. Well, it's technically still open for another 9 minutes since it's 4:51 p.m. right now. But the market was closed by the time you're watching this video, so you can't really invest yet, can you? But if you can see this stock, and the market opens on March 20th, okay? March 20th is when the market will open at 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can adjust that as necessary for your time zone. Then we can see COOK open and start to move. Now, where do we want to see COOK move to? Well, I want to see COOK move to around $2.40, okay? That's what I actually said, not $2.40, $3.40. So let me actually write that note down as well. So I want to see this stock move to this price level right here, and this price level is $3.40. Okay, $3.40. So I want to see that level hold. Okay, I don't want to see the stock go below $3.40. I don't want to see it go below $3.35. I want to see it hold $3.40. Now, is this stock going to, for sure, 100% go to $3.40? No, that is not the way it works. I cannot control the market. If I can't control the market, I would basically turn the market into a money printing machine where it just spits $1,000 bills at every pro member in my community. However, because we live in the real world, COOK may not come to 240. And if that happens, then we have to be really careful and we have to be really smart and we have to know where to get in and get out because banks manipulate stocks. You know that happened today with a stock called HUBC. Now, HUBC stock I sold at the top. It sincerely pulled back since I sold it, and it may be done for good. But even if it's not, we have to trade smart. Now, how are you going to trade smart? Well, first of all, you have to make sure you're part of the free Discord. If you're not already a member, make sure to sign up in the link below. And if you are in the free Discord and you seriously want to take your trading to the next level, then make sure to sign up for the pro community where I can tell you exactly where I am buying and selling my stocks. That way you get 100% confirmation that a professional trader is guiding you and having your back. This is like no other stock trading community in the world. Our success rate on trades is so high that there are some traders in our group that have never lost a trade. Okay, there are some traders in our group who have never lost a trade since joining our group. So join now in the Discord link and DM me so that you can join Pro COOK at 340. What if it doesn't come to 340, right? What if that doesn't happen? 100% possible. The $3.40 buy-in is not guaranteed because the banks may start buying so much COOK that the stock never has a chance to pull back all the way down there. So instead, you have to think about getting COOK at a different price. Now, what other price would I be willing to pay for COOK? $3.50. Okay, I don't want to pay more than $3.55, but ideally I'll buy in around $3.50 if COOK holds that price level. So what do I mean by holding the price level? I mean, I don't want to see it dumping, okay? I don't want to see a COOK dump. I want to see COOK come down very softly and sweetly down to the $3.50 level. Then I want to see it go back up. Okay, I want to see it go back up, and when that happens, then I'm gonna buy the thing. All right, I'll notify you in Discord. Okay, but I have to notify the pro members first because they're paying me, they're investing in me, so I invest in them. Okay, if you think I invest a lot in you, I do. I invest so much into you. I'm giving you my life's work in trading. My life's work is trading. I've studied since I was young. I've sacrificed and I put money away, and I've lost $40,000 trading and learning to trade in the stock market before becoming one of the most successful and profitable stock traders in the world. And now I am giving you that knowledge and experience here live in the market, and that's what my Discord community members get every single day, and that's where they get call outs that have made them money every single time I make a call out. Okay, I'd say our success rate right now is close to 85% on our call-outs trades. It's all on Discord, and if you're a Discord member, you already know that. You've seen people making thousands and tens of thousands of dollars off of my call-outs. So COOK, buying at 340 is ideal, but buying at 350 or 355 on strength in the stock, that is okay as well. And where am I looking to sell COOK? That's the other really important part of the puzzle. How many times have you been left bag holding? I get rid of the bag holding problem by telling you exactly where I'm selling my stock. Now, I'm selling COOK at a very specific price. I am selling COOK, and let me write this down for you. I am selling at 363. So I'm selling at 363. So 363 is where I'm selling COOK. Now, am I going to sell all of my COOK there? No, I'm not. I'm going to save some of my COOK cook for $3.78. Okay, so if we can get another rally to 378, then that would be really cool as well. Not expecting it, so that's why I'm selling some at 363, but it's certainly possible. There's about a 35% chance we'll get a rally to 378 and a 10% chance we'll get a rally to 390. All right, so the stock can actually go up to 390 and you can actually sell some COOK there. So there's a 10% chance that will happen. And finally, there is a 7% chance that will go to $3.98. So basically, we'll tag that $4 level. So it's possible for COOK to come all the way up to $4 tomorrow. It's possible for it really to even squeeze even higher than that. But that's where I'm going to be closing the majority of my position on COOK, at least for the day trade that I'm going to take on COOK on Monday, March 20th. Okay, so this call out is for March 20th. Okay, my call outs are for one day. As you know, this channel is called Rocket Day Trading. I am a day trader. I'm a professional day trader, and I often trade for one day. There are times when I swing trade a stock that's really strong, such as UNCY, which I've made 300% on in the Discord, and I published it, and so many traders in my group have made crazy money on that play. But March 20th, COOK, selling at 363. Selling at 363, my friend. And I hope that you watch this stock and you look at this stock and you trade this stock the same way that I am trading it, and you watch the Discord and you join the Discord and you find out just how profitable you can really be by just making this simple investment in yourself. The simple investment of joining our pro community and making just the most amazing trade you've ever made in your life, because the trade when you join the pro community will be getting the support and love and care and attention that you need to become a successful trader and get the money that you've lost listening to horrible traders back once and for all. I'll see you guys there.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?